am going to speak about periodic table. Periodic table is a table that arranges all the clinical elements in a systematic way based on the atomic number. The horizontal rows in the periodic table are called periods. There are 7 periods in total. Columns. The vertical columns are called groups. There are 18 groups. Types of elements. Metals. Found on the left side of the periodic table. Good container of heat and electricity. Example: iron, copper, sodium. Non-metal. Found on the right side of the periodic table. Poor conductor of heat and electricity. Example: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. Metalloids. Elements that have both metals and non-metals are known as metalloids. Example: silicon and boron. Importance of periodic table. Helps scientists to properties of elements. Helps in properties of chemical reaction. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My dearest viewers, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க. ஐயோ, comments also.